showing my muscle, I can't wait to flex. My blick got a bun, so you know the rest. I hit that chicken on. I hit that, yeah, and he died. Losing the brother like losing.
YouTube. We at the dealership. Not the dealership. We at the shop. I'm cold, tired. Don't lie, I look rough right now. It's cold, early as fucking in the damn morning. Excuse my French, but we finally doing it, man. Getting them mufflers taken out.
Wrap it up.
Shit, they tried to finesse the kid, talking about some $850 for that shit. I mean, shit, it was loud, huh? I ain't gonna lie. That shit wasn't no $850, so you know what I'm saying? I'm negotiating with it, bro. So we got that shit down to like 4, whole split. Goddamn. That shit loud, I ain't gonna cap. That shit loud as fuck. Oh. It cold as fuck. Loud. So, I told y'all boys I was gonna get that shit straight, bro. They were talking about it too quiet. That's a fucking Hemi, nigga. Strong guy Hemi. Had that. You feel me? I wish I knew how to work on cars, bro, but this shit take like welding and all that shit. And I don't got them type of tools and shit, so. You boy doing what it do, though. Get me right. My back hurt. Sleepy. Cold. Like 50, like 30 degrees outside. And we all done, man. Well, they finishing up now. Got the new pipes on there. You know what I'm saying? Those can be loud and proud. You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting for like 2 hours. Just a little warmed up a little bit. The sun came out on a slight day. But I'll show y'all how it sounds in a minute. So they get done with the car. And they painted the pipes black, which is hard as hell. I'm finna show y'all right now. And I ain't gonna lie, it bitch sound like a damn monster. It bitch sound like a damn Incredible Hulk. Look at this Hummer. Shit really hard. Shit like some damn military shit. You pull up in this bit, nobody gonna damn try you. Bulletproof the windows. They gonna go crazy for real. Look at the pipes though. Beautiful.
With the black paint?
Yeah, that's good. Perfect like this. And I still ain't got tint. Told y'all I was gonna get the muffler delete or straight pipe, one of them, but I got a damn muffler delete and I don't even got tint yet on my car. L or a W in the chat. I mean, shit. I don't never be in Columbus, so next time I go to Columbus, I'm gonna get that tent though. That shit a little hard. And as far as rap goes, I have an idea. Somebody gave me a good idea. I'm gonna let y'all know. Well, I'm gonna surprise y'all actually. But you know what I'm saying? If you see how the bitch sound, stay tuned. Goodness, it's like the whole earth shaking. Why my car look clean now? It look clean and dirty at the same time. Don't scare me like that. Don't lie, YouTube. They got me right. They said the check engine light is gonna go off, I guess, when the car learns like the new pipes and shit like that, or some shit like that with the Dodge system. Y'all probably know more than me. It should go off in a minute, but if not, I'm gonna take it back and they gonna look at it and fix it and everything. But I ain't gonna lie, the car sound good. I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna let y'all hear it in a second. So let me get somewhere safe. Not safe, but you know what I'm saying. Safe from the popo. YouTube, I can't lie. She sounds magical. She sounds ferocious. It might not even be a damn she no more. Might have to make her he shit. Well, I mean, damn. Nah, she could be a she, but she like a tomboy. She ain't no girly girl. She a tomboy now. You feel me? They did a great job. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what happened with the check engine light, but they fixed that. So y'all see it ain't on the dashboard no more. But maybe y'all can hear it a little bit right here. I don't know how that sounds through the phone. The phone make it sound so ass, but let's see. When I'm realizing, like, before I had to kind of like hold it down for a long time for it to get loud, but like now, like right when I put my foot on the gas, like it'll be loud as fuck, and it's way louder. I can't lie. They did their thing. They did their thing. I know the neighbors gonna hate me now. And then it got like the little bubble at the end. That's what I really, you know what I'm saying, wanted. What I really focus on. Hopefully I can hear this good. I don't know if it's picking up.